In this video, I'll show you how to connect your ON wireless keyboard with your tablet. This also works with your phone, by the way, and iPads as well. So let's get started. Well, these ON wireless keyboards, this one at least, is not Bluetooth. It connects to your device using a USB dongle that is looking just like that one. So we have first to connect this USB dongle to your tablet. Now, most tablets don't have a USB type A port. They have a USB type C. So you'll need an adapter to make this work. So over here, I have a USB type A connector adapter to USB type C. I'll put a link in the description. This one is made by Anker and it works pretty well with any device, really. So I'm going to connect it over here on the side of my tablet. Now, if you have an Android tablet, once you do this, you should get this message, configure physical keyboard. On the iPad, I'm not sure what will happen, but I know on Android phones and tablet, you should get it. You can click on it. And this way you'll be able to enable different keyboards. If you see this keyboard is in English, well, if you want one in a different language, you can go over here and enable it. So this is it, honestly. After connecting both of these with the USB dongle, let me just show you. Let me open let's say the browser here. If I tap here and oops, I need to turn it on. I forgot. So make sure your keyboard is turned on. You can also press on the connect button once after you turn it on, since this is a new device. And now if I type, you see, it works. And one cool thing is that the shortcuts that are on the top of the keyboard over here are available, at least some of them on Android. So if I press the FN button and I tap this volume mute, sorry, you see it mutes. If I put volume up, volume is going up, and so on. Some stuff are actually working. So this is it. Once you're done, you can simply disconnect everything and go on your life. You don't have to press on anything. So thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, type a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.